Hello, everyone out there. It's me, Rona, and welcome to D&B Interiors. Today, we're going to be talking about our color design series. Specifically, today we're going to be looking at the color Emerald Isle, which is a part of this monochromatic color strip, which is featuring one of the many colors available on the Benjamin Moore color palette. And if you would like for me to do an analysis of a color that you're interested in, be sure to leave that information in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like, share, and subscribe. As I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be looking at the center color, Emerald Isle. And if you have a paint strip that has several colors on the same strip in a row and they closely match, that is a monochromatic color layout. And right next to the color strip is a color wheel, which is a classic color wheel that teaches you all about how to bring different colors into your space. And if you want to do this for yourself, you could definitely pick up one of these color wheels at any of your home craft type stores that are out there. Today we're going to be looking at how to bring in adjacent colors to the color green. In today's example, we're looking at yellow, green, yellow, yellow, orange, and to the other side of the color green, we're looking at blue, green, blue, and blue, violet. Once we identify a color that you're interested in, we set about incorporating some of the 7 elements of design. We look at places where we can incorporate a pop of color with statement pieces, or we look at your existing furnishings in order to identify areas where we can add pops of color. As I mentioned before, I love to incorporate the 7 elements of design, and we do that by bringing in soft furnishings as well as artwork to complement the colors that you've selected. Some of us are afraid of using paint throughout the entire space, which is why I encourage you to look at that color wheel and identify opportunities where you can bring in some of those adjacent colors, just in case you're not sure on the overall direction that you want to go with your color theme. I also show you how to bring in those colors so that if you get tired of it or if it's a little bit overwhelming, you can use it in understated pieces too. Since we're looking at the adjacent colors on the color wheel surrounding our color, here's another example of how you can bring in just little elements so that it all looks pulled together once you're finished with your decor project. And I don't want to forget some of the other elements that we bring into our design project as well, to include lighting and plants. Although Emerald Isle is the star of the show for this design series, that doesn't mean that you can't bring in adjacent colors in some accent furniture pieces. Take a look. These pieces or similar pieces can be sprinkled out throughout your space in different rooms, bringing in your entire look. If you want to learn more about the 7 elements of design, be sure to go to my website at dmvinteriors.com, click on the Essentials link, and download a copy. And for those of you who want to learn more about how to identify the 5 major inputs, as well as how to better utilize the 7 elements of design once you've downloaded it, take a look at the workshop. And then schedule a complimentary 1-hour one-on-one session where we can schedule a time and delve further into your design project needs. Upon completing the workshop, you'll be able to identify your style, your color choices, as well as the additional elements that you'll need. You'll be well on your way to decorating and designing a room or a floor in your home. And if you'd like to work together on a project, you'll be able to apply that workshop fee towards any of the services that I provide. If you're interested in having a color analysis Put that information in the comments below, and I'll try my very best to assist you with your color dilemma.